The highly awaited Four Seasons in Naples is open. So let's talk about that today. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for over 25 years. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, just hit the like button. So let's talk about the highly awaited Four Seasons in Naples. This is the first Four Seasons on the Gulf Coast. And the Four Seasons used to be the very iconic Naples Beach and Golf Club, and a historic and very popular and well-loved resort in Naples that was built in 1946. So we are all very sad to see it go, but we are very happy as to this beautiful new Four Seasons resort we have. The Four Seasons is consists of 125 acres of amenities, residences, beachfront, and golf. There are 153 luxury residences. You have beachfront residences and golf residences, which we will get into a little bit more detail a little bit later. The resort has over 1,000 feet of beachfront property. We have beautiful white sand beaches here in Naples. They are pristine and the water is crystal clear blue here. It's absolutely gorgeous. There are 5 restaurants and bars in the Four Seasons, and one of them is the iconic HB's on the Gulf that was originally in the Naples Beach Club. So we're so happy to see them keep that because that was such a fun place for everyone to go, especially on Sunday nights. Half the town went there and watched jazz and watched the sunset, and everyone claps when the sun goes down. HB's on the Gulf is such a great place. I'm so happy to see that they kept that and paid homage to the original one. There are multiple pools with cabanas, a rooftop lap pool, and 6 hard-true tennis courts. And of course, golf. There is a Tom Fazio designed 18-hole golf course on the property. That is not finished yet, by the way. It is still majorly under construction. I'm not quite sure when that will be finished, but I will keep you posted on that. There's what's known as the Market Square Town Center that has a cinema, kids club, a pub, and lots of shopping. The guest rooms will have like old Naples charm, very coastal, very elegant, very demure. Did you get that? That was funny. Okay. So bear with me one second. I'm going to share my screen and show you a couple of things about the residences. Okay, so as I mentioned, there are 153 private residences in the Four Seasons. They are, for the most part, sold out. There are some units left, so please contact me directly. I will get you the latest availability and the latest prices. Now, ignore this on the left because this is not the most up-to-date pricing, but I did want to include that because I think this map is very helpful. So you can see on the left here, A, B, and C. These are the beachside residences. And you can see, like I said, this is a little outdated, but they were between 25 and $50 million. And over here on the right, you will have the golf course residences. There are a few of those left, I believe, still. And those will have gorgeous golf course views. You see the pools over here to the left and the main resort over here. Just across the streets where the market square will be. Um, and as far as the amenities goes, like I mentioned already, over 1,000 square feet of white sand beaches, 215 guest rooms, tennis courts, and there is a look at the pool. But of course, I have some final video for you, which I will share with you now. Of course, everyone knows that the Four Seasons is synonymous with luxury and great service. So if you have any questions about the Four Seasons residences, please contact me. Like I said, I will give you floor plans, pricing, the latest availability. By the way, I need to tell you this is very important. If you go to the sales center directly. You cannot work with an agent to represent you. That sales agent at the office represents the developer. And by the way, The developer pays for you to have an agent. If you go without an agent, they do not reduce the price of your property. So it only benefits you to have an agent representing you. This is the largest investment, one of the largest investments you're going to make in your life. So make sure you have an agent that can represent you to help you make the best decisions so that you get the highest rate of return. You don't get a discount if you don't use an agent. So please contact me if you're thinking about purchasing in the Four Seasons. Give me a call. I'd love to talk to you further, get you more information, and help you find the perfect home. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.